What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are out again. Second try at Falcon Lake. Well, we are going to try hunting for walleye, and if we be lucky enough, we can bring home, well, or at least land small ones for today. So join us. See you out in the water. Same set of people. Yung pa rin. So, first time, Falcon Lake. Yun, kami ni Ariel, second time na namin. Unfortunately, the first one, my files got corrupted, so I wasn't able to compile that one. But hopefully, this one, we'll be able to compile everything. So, stick with us, guys. While we compile. Alright. Well, same setup, same everything. Return. Alright, first spot.
Layo!
Ano?
Yung mga...
Ano, lagay ko na to ha.
Baka mahinga nga Mark, i-develop ka lang natin. Start trolling the plane na muna. Lino, dilim ka.
Traffic pa sa bag. Meron. Urong taban na ron ha. Nakaharap tayo dun sa may mga damuhan na yun eh. Kailangan. Doon tayo, dun. Or kung gaano kaya kalalim yung... Ha? Dito? Urong ka pa ng konti.
Target KPI niya ka 16 feet.
Yan na, meron natin
Kayo
mga
mag-sold.
Okay. Dito tayo. Eh. Wala. Yun. First fish, ah? Sarap ng kagate eh. Ba, gagawin na. First fish no. Damn it. man lang, kahit isa. Sarap na eh. Yun.
Tara. Yes.
Turn of the kambang. Yun lang pa.
Yun lang.
What? Fish is still a fish.
That's a big one. How can this do it?
Sinampal mo pa ako, gago ka. Sampal ka na kasi, no? First fish. First fish. Oh, pikey. Yun lang, wala tayong basahan. Bye-bye. Hey! Pare, may pamunos ka dyan.
Wala.
Patay. Hindi. Tingnan mo yung upuan ko.
Ano? Oh my God.
Ah.
Lang.
Okay lang, first fish. May dala naman ako short eh. Ito na pag-uwi. Ah! Okay. This lake is so hard to figure out. Lapit tayo. Come on.
Falcon Lake is located approximately 2 hours away from Winnipeg. It is known for boating, fishing, camping, and other activities.
Di ba uulan? Yun.
Taas yan.
Puta, ang dami sabing dito. Anong pa naman yung net? Yan, yung charger siya.
Ayaw ah. They don't like tap water, guys. Dito na lang. Langoy-langoy sa ilalim.
Ano ba walang sabit eh? Kailangan. Oh, sabit yan. Sabi ko na eh. Ayoko dito may...
May kumagat eh. Nang? Sinker? Ano daw?
Nabigyan ng rig na nga ako. Puro sabit dyan.
Oh,
Huwag kang magpapato dyan, Paki. Puro sabit dyan.
Uy.
Uy. Dali ah.
Uy.
Ano si Malalam?
ano ba?
Ano daw? Kami ah.
Wait na, may...
May pinapanood nyo.
Yes, yung Team 10 kausap. Ito ba? Ito lang meron ako.
Yan, tama. Tanong mo naman ang gamit ko naman. I-report ako baka mapalo. Ay, gamay. Bakit itong kasarap? Bakit itong the best?
Ano daw?
Drop shot ka. Mike, ganitong kulay.
Wait.
Natural.
Kakataslo na natin na pag ganyan-ganyan. Dalawa lang ang hindi nakakangat.
Oh?
Pero,
Natural color.
Natural. Kanina ko pa sinisigaw sa inyo. Natural gamitin.
I have natural wool.
It will work. Aba, ang tatay mo sis. Titirahin ni Bibi ng tatay. Titirahin ka doon, no? Dan, ganito ang trolling. Pag dito, titingnan mo, babantayan mo 16, tas 14, tas papasok ka doon hanggang 9, tas labas ko ulit dito. Paikot lang tayo pag yun. Trolling? Hindi, automatic ko lang. Tapos cast lang yun, cast lang.
Oh, okay.
Three hours, one fish sa kabilang boat. Sila yung nakarami. Well, it's their day. Hopefully, we can still do our revenge here. Pero it's really hard to figure out fish in this lake. So, but at least may isa. So, see you all on the next video, guys. Thank you for clicking on this. I'll see you.